Well, we're hearing this morning from officials at a local racetrack after a weekend accident left a race official dead. The Kern County Coroner's Office says 54-year-old Steve O'Neill was hit by a car at Bakersfield Speedway during a race Saturday night. He died about 30 minutes later at Kern Medical Center. Witnesses tell 23 ABC that O'Neill was serving as a race monitor, which means his job was to stand by in case of emergencies. But as you can see in this picture taken by Derek Long, while O'Neill was standing by a white barrier on the infield, a car flipped over the barrier and hit him. The Bakersfield Speedway released a statement last night about O'Neill's death. It read, in part, "Steve was a huge part of our Speedway family, and his presence will be greatly missed by all. Our thoughts and prayers are with his family and friends."